Dewalt just changed the game. I just got my hands on this brand new Dewalt pressure pisser, 100,000 PSI, 9 million gallons per minute, and it only runs on the world's biggest Flexvolt batteries. Comes with tips, hoses, and a cannon. 18 million times the pressure of a garden hose, the most asterisks I've ever seen in my life. So let's open this bad boy. This is a really nice carrying case and a flexible braided hose with the pisser itself, the cannon, and check it out, quick connects. Finally, right? These might as well be Egyptian hieroglyphics because I ain't reading that. Hidden in that cool little bag of netting was the filter and attachment and the turbo nozzle. Taking a closer look at the foam cannon that's included, you guys can see there's only one adjustable setting, well, two, this soap thingy and the nozzle itself. You can't really see the orifice included with the foam cannon, but I can guarantee you it is tiny. So this thing should be capable of making some foam. This is the regular foam cannon that I use. It is twice the size of the Dewalt, but you know what they say, it's not the size that counts, it's what you do with it. And just so you guys can see, it is not some great giant machine gun. Here is the Shart for comparison, the original pressure pisser that I bought that made me hate them. And getting this bad boy ready is pretty simple. You just load up and go. Connect your water hose and you're on your way. Just a heads up, do not spray your feet or fingers with this thing. It is not a toy. It is the closest thing to a regular pressure washer I have ever used. I mean, the damn thing cleans concrete. It's absolutely bananas. You can even make shapes in it. Check out this rocket ship I'm making here. It's portable power like this that is just gonna revolutionize the way we do things. Maybe. Probably not. And finally, can it foam? Well, I don't know. I had to mess around with the settings quite a bit. A lot of trial and error, and if you Google it, you require at least 1200 PSI to make foam with a foam cannon. And I'm absolutely positively sure that I'm doing something wrong here. I've never owned one of these for car wash purposes. Why do I own a foam cannon? Reasons? Anyway, if you mess with the water temperature enough and you play around with the pressure settings, yeah, you get a really nice foam. Look at that. I'm just kidding. It took a lot more messing around than I wanted to do, but check this out. I got that bad boy to foam up. And I'm willing to bet if I had used distilled water in that foam cannon, it would have been even foamier. I used the white tip to clean off the car because that is the whitest fanning tip they included with the kit. And it still throws. I mean, look at this. This is concrete with the white tip. So probably don't use this thing to wash your cars because you can still clean concrete with it. My car is hurting right now. Next time I'll connect a pressure washer to this bad boy and really let it rip.